Alright, so you probably clicked this video because you want to know if it's going to properly snow on Christmas. Well, in this video I'm going to be breaking it down to you. I'm going to also be telling you which parts are likely to get snow, because actually in early January, around the 5th, there's meant to be up to 30 centimeters of snow. There's going to be very cold temperatures as we move in to the New Year's Eve and into January. But you've probably seen loads of fake news saying that we're going to get snow on Christmas, which is not true. But anyways, let's aim for 10 likes, subscribe, and I'm going to dive in and break it all down to you what the weather will be like. So, today, Saturday the 20th of December, no snow is expected within the next week and a half. But if we zoom all the way to around the 31st, New Year's Eve, you can see here now we've got a bunch of snow clouds, which are these white dots. The snow clouds mixed with precipitation, so a bit of light rain. So snowfall likely will actually happen on New Year's Eve in Scotland. And then as we actually wind it into the 1st of January, the snow settles. As you can see, lots of the light rain dodges where the snow settled, which is Aberdeen and up here, as well as parts of Wales as well, and Newcastle and the northeast as well. The pink represents snow that has settled. But yeah, so as that snow lays, as we move in to January the 2nd, more snow builds up here now. As you can see, still settled, as well as the northeast, just the same areas. And then this is where it all comes in. So we've got snow clouds coming from the west now, which then hit Cumbria first and Lancaster. So then now snowfall settles in Cumbria on the 3rd of January, as well as the northwest of Scotland, northwest Ireland and northeast Ireland as well, and making its way down to Cornwall and throughout Wales. And then the biggest and the heaviest snowfall here comes from the west here, this little low pressure. Then this low pressure slams into Cork with very heavy snowfall covering the whole entire of Cork in South Ireland. As you can see here, the pink represents snowfall which is settled. So now pretty much all of Ireland has been covered with snow from that low pressure. And then as we move in, 4th of January, this low pressure then swoops through the entire UK, covering even London, Cardiff, Birmingham, Leeds. And if we go to the other chart here, snow depth, we can actually see much better. Leeds will get hit with the heaviest and the deepest snow here. So the colours represent the centimetres and inches. So as you can see in just below Leeds, and you can see we've got around 30 centimetres maybe, which is roughly around 11 inches. Also in Scotland, you can see that faint purple right there. That's just above Aberdeen, which is around 25 centimetres. And then a lot of the dark blues represent like 15 to 20 centimetres. Cumbria will probably have likely around 8 to 10, maybe a little slightly more centimetres. Around I think this is Wales, but you can comment down below if I'm wrong. But anyways, just the left above Birmingham here, around 25 centimeters to 30 centimeters. But yeah, the whole entire UK will most likely get at least some snow 4th of January. Also just around Cork and Galway as well as expected, around 10 to 15 centimeters. I'm gonna outline some of the areas which I think will likely get an amber warning for snow and ice, as well as yellow warnings. So here you can see it looks more easier now. The colours will represent the warnings for the snow. This is my prediction, but this prediction looks pretty accurate in my opinion. It's going to be a very interesting start to the year. We'll look forward to it. I'm going to keep updating and checking on the radar and WX charts as well. And I'll update as soon as I get something interesting pop through. But anyways, with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.